Hi, welcome back. This is Paul at the Fix-It Show. We got the Suzuki dumpster motor semi apart because we have found the water in it. So we've been cleaning it up and shooting it down to get any more rust out of it. And I don't think it's going to be a problem because I've taken motors apart that are full of water, and the gears are all rusty, and I don't see an ounce of rust inside this motor, so it should be fine. The bearings feel good. We're going to put new seals in it, new clutch plates and gaskets, and clean up the ignition. It does have spark, so we're good there. And this will be a Masters of Momentum 125 for 2019. We have to replace the clutch case because the cable holder, the bolt that holds the actuating arm is broken off. So we got an eBay special. Got a new, we painted it so it looks nice. It's got the new nut on it, so that's all good. And we looked at the cylinder. It's in real good condition. I haven't checked the bore size yet, but it's never been messed with, never been ported, not scratched up, not rusty. The piston's clearance is real nice. So we got a good start there once it's cleaned up. We got the head cleaned up and painted, and we took that and vapor blasted it and then painted it, so it's getting there. You can see what the carburetor was like. That's pretty much good as gone. So I've got another 28 Mikuni off a CZ 125, and we're going to clean it up and put it on the bike. It'll be a runner. We got parts spread out all over the place. We told you that the forks were rusty, so those are going to have to be replaced. The fork tubes. We got too many. We got British March bike in here, and it's clogging up the works. Obviously, we got the forks all apart. The rest of the pieces are good. But you can see the pitting, and that is usually what the inside of the motor will look like if it had water in it for a long time. So I think we're in good shape with our motor. And we're going to start looking for parts on eBay and any other source. And make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching the Fix-It Show. Around.
I'm dressing up like Santa Claus on Christmas. As soon as I can get out on parole, I'll hang out on your street. Your kids I'd love to meet.